Hey there. If you've ever wondered how to make a card without getting overwhelmed, you're in the right place. We're going to start with a very simple card today and add a little bit more to it and step it up two more times. But no matter where you are in your card making journey, there's something here for you today. So let's get started. I'm Barb Brimhall, the BZB Stamper, and welcome to Step It Up Stamping. Today, we're going to be using the Scalloped Blooms Bundle. This is a new bundle in the May to August 2026 Stampin' Up! Catalog. And I was attracted to this bundle for two reasons. Number one, I love the font on the sentiments. I just think they are so awesome. And then I love the scalloped circle dies and all the other scalloped elements that go with those dies. And we are going to use some of them today. So our very first card is what I like to call the Busy Bee card. It's for beginner stampers or those of us, of which I am definitely one, who likes to make quick and easy cards in a hurry. We are starting with one of my favorite colors, which is kind of weird because it's a neutral, but it's basic beige. And I just think it adds so much class to any card. Plus, you can put a lot of different colors with it and it'll look great. And the paper I'm using today, my friends, I really wish we had Feel-O-Vision so that you could feel this paper. This is our Velvet Meadow Designer Series specialty paper. And wherever you see white, that is flocked velvet. It is such a cool feel, and it adds so much dimension to the card, especially when you have it in person. You can see it, you could feel it, and you can see that velvet. Love it. I paired it with Berry Burst cardstock. I just pulled in the color from the flowers, and then I stamped the sentiment with one of our new ink colors. It's Peaceful Pine, and I just think it goes beautifully. You can see it here too. It goes beautifully with this card. I'm going to try to hold this up so you get a better view. I don't think you're going to be able to see that velvet paper, which is unfortunate because it's really cool. Okay, so this is our quick and easy Busy Bee card. Now let's move on to when you want to put a little bit more work in your card. This is the Worker Bee card, and honestly, it's not that different from the Busy Bee card. What I did was I added more of that really fun designer paper, so just a larger strip of that. I think you get a better feel for all the colors that are in here, and it just sort of brightens up the card. Again, we have Berry Burst. I actually did the sentiment the exact same way I did it here. So Berry Burst cardstock and Perfect Pine cardstock. By the way, if you need it, I have complete instructions on how to make all three of these cards. So don't worry about that. I got you covered. And then finally, oh my goodness, for our Queen Bee card, which is, I say, more for experienced card makers, although this card is pretty simple. And I went into great detail on my instructions on how to do this card so that if you purchase the dies, you'll see how easy this is to make. You definitely need the dies in order to make this card because, let me switch back over. You could see that I took the largest circle scallop die, and that's what I used to create this card that actually opens up. How fun is that? And it's so easy to do. I'm going to show you right here on the back. All I did was score these scallops and folded them over and then attached the front one to it. And then I did the paper in the scallops. So we've still got that gorgeous paper. And this right here is actually one of the dies in the Scalloped Bloom set. And the sentiment is also on one of the scalloped rectangle dies. So super simple. Wrap some of the new beautiful Perfect Pine paper around it. It actually goes under the paper. And then that was it, my friends. I mean, that's pretty simple. The only stamping here was the sentiment. And then I do not know if I can get you a good look at this. No, it's going to blur. But this is one of the new in color butterflies, and they are so pretty. I used one here, here, and here. So just added those in to just say, hey, here is your summer garden ready to go. Thank you so much for whatever you want to thank someone for. Very simple. Now, I kept the inside of this in basic beige because I think you could easily write in this. But if you want white inside so you can write, just cut out another scallop this size. Very easy to do. And again, I show you in the instructions exactly how to make this card. It is so super simple. It's almost embarrassing. I actually hate to call this a queen bee card because it's so simple. It really is. The dies do all the work. So we have our queen bee card. Let me put this up here. We have our worker bee card. And last but not least, we have that really easy but really pretty busy bee card. So I'm going to maybe surprise some people out there. My favorite card this time is actually the worker bee card. I love how the paper looks, and the paper for me is so much fun. I forgot to mention, I did add a couple of the butterflies on this card too. And the sentiment, super easy to do. I am not kidding you. This is a 5-minute or less card. It is super easy. So for me this week, this is my favorite card. This is probably a card that and it does fit in a regular envelope, so you don't have to worry about that. But for me, this would be a tag that I would put on a gift to someone. That's how I would use this. But it makes a great card, and you could just tie it on with the ribbon. So very easy to do. Okay, my friends, that's it. That is the Scalloped Blooms Bundle by Stampin' Up! I hope you have a great creative week. Talk to you soon. Bye.